Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. In today's video I want to prepare Zobo drink, healthy Zobo drink. Yeah, so this is my Zobo leaf. This is my Zobo leaf, and here is ginger. This is Coca-Cola flavor for the Zobo, and this is pineapple. You see how large this is, a queen pineapple. So now I'm going to wash my Zobo leaf. Pot on fire and transfer the Zobo leaf to my pot. So guys, for this Zobo leaf I'll use 3 liters of water. So the water in this kettle is 3 liters. I'll cover and allow it to boil. Then this is pineapple. I will wash it. So I'll peel the pineapple. This pineapple will be very sweet. The flavor alone. That is very sweet. The pineapple is very sweet. So this is what I will use for the Zobo, the back that I peel. So I will transfer this one to my pot of Zobo. So this is ginger. What is ginger? So I will break my ginger like this. I just smash it like this. After smashing, I will add it to my Zobo. Yeah. I'll leave it to cook very well. Guys, let's check the Zobo. Wow! Wow! The flavor is so nice. Oh my goodness. Guys, the Zobo is ready. As simple as this. So now I will filter it. Zobo is ready. So guys, our Zobo is ready. I'll just allow it to cool down. I should put Zobo for her. I should put Zobo for you. It's still very hot, okay? Go and give Barrett to open for you. So guys, this is the flavor. What? So guys, this is the Coca-Cola flavor. Hmm? So guys, our Zobo drink is come. I should put it for you. Oh, my baby wants to take Zobo. Our Zobo drink is ready. Please share the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. Mwah. Love you. Go and collect and feed them.